In this episode of Is It Sharp, I debone a goose. This is a roast goose from Guangzhou. I'm gonna debone it. My titanium knife, but actually you don't really need it, just use your hands. I think I can be a skillful serial killer. First you remove the neck, simple, at the joints, let's put it aside. There's a slice here, so you can remove the drum. Remove the drum. I think we will remove the remove the bone first. But this is actually the easy part. Later I'll show you how to remove the breast meat. Place it properly here at the side. Okay. Now, this one is quite difficult. My hands are very oily from deboning the first goose just now. This is already the second one. Again, a slight incision. There are a lot of tendons on this wing part, so more incisions are needed. I hate bones being cut or broken bones because it will create shards, bone shards when you eat, and that will hurt your teeth. So as you can see, it's removed nicely. Don't be afraid to get oily. Okay, you can see there's a tendon here. You need to cut this and you can remove. Now it's easy. Don't have to waste any part of the meat. Let's just remove this part. Just keep it clean. Okay. So now here's the cool part where we remove the breast meat. This side, you can feel there's a center cartilage, and then the wishbone is here. So there's a center part here. You simply make 2 incisions. Okay, so what I do is I reach in to feel where the meat separates from the bone and just give it a tug. And that's actually how your this is the breast meat, nice and in one piece. We will chop it up later. This second goose which I'm cutting is for today's dinner, for my family's dinner today. Same thing, you feel it. Of course, please have clean hands. Wash your hands very, very cleanly. And you have a clean. Let's do this nice and clean. And there you go. This is the breast meat. Okay, and the rest, there's some meat here close where the neck is. This is the collar area. Okay, let's see whether I can break the wishbone or the collarbone properly. Let's get a bit more remnants of the breast meat out first. Found it. So there's a tendon here. It requires another incision. Okay, so the collarbone is here. Use it, keep all the bones to make soup, yam cai ak teng, which is salted vegetable duck soup, but of course you can substitute it with goose. I always say that the best birds are in order of merit. Number 1, pigeon, yummy. Number 2, goose. Number 3, chicken. Number 4, duck, and number 5, turkey. I hate turkey. Turkey is very dry. I don't know what's this about goose, but goose is much juicier than duck, even though goose is a much bigger bird. So with the removal of the breast meat and the thigh, we are almost there. My kids are coming back soon, so you will hear their screams in a while. I think I'm not sure if you can see this, but there's a whole pile of debone meat here.
Mommy, I know you opened the door. I saw you.
Okay, I'm recording cutting of the deboning of the duck, so please don't disturb me. You can wave hello to everybody. I'm gonna put this on YouTube later, so don't waste the skin. Okay, I mean if you're afraid of the fat, you can always just scrape away the fat, but this skin is good. Don't waste the skin.
Hello.
Hello.
Are we in?
Yeah, you just stand here and then wave hello to the 3 lenses. Yep, okay.
Hello.
Okay. So now we are left with the bottom part. I think I'm gonna remove, because there's some meat here. So I'm gonna remove the skin and then I'm just gonna physically tear away the meat. The meat here, it's very, if you can see, it's very thin. It's very thin here. That's my mom. It's very thin here. So you have to just manually remove. Use a knife to help you.
He's using a gold clip, you know. That's my sister's one. And that's my favorite cake. I like it.
Again, don't waste the skin. Look, not much fat on the skin, so it's okay. You can eat it. Lots of collagen. This is actually one of the tastiest parts, but you must not be afraid to eat the fat. It'll be funny if I cut myself, because this titanium knife is sharp. Okay, so the entire side is already removed already. The meat has already been removed. Now it's this part. You can see it's very, very clean, nice and clean. you see? Now lift it up. Now it's being blocked by the pile of meat, right? Okay, let me shift the pile of meat. Okay, it's better now. Okay, let's try it. So you feel it. Again, it's all a matter of feeling it. Count it. You see it separates nicely. Normally I would just rip it apart, but I want to show you that we can remove the meat nice and neatly in a nice chunk. So I'm getting my candy titanium knife to see, it's a nice chunk. Just put it in a bowl so I don't pile it up. Okay, then we are done. So that's all the meat gone. There's still just a little bit around here, the edges here, which I'm going to use my fingers to scrape it out. Like you see this part here, this is nice and edible. So I just use my fingers to pull it out. You don't want to waste any part. All these bones, they are going into the soup to make a very oily and a very tasty soup. Oh, there's still some meat here. A little bit of meat, remnants of the breast meat. You can just peel it out. Okay, but first let me show you how to break it into half. Cut in between the ribs. You need to cut away all the tendons and fats. Okay. Then you just simply bend it and break it apart. There you go. So this is the cavity with all the spices, secret spices that they put in. This is the extremely fatty part. There's still a little, I don't think I'm going to, maybe I'll just take a bit of the skin and then I'll leave the rest for soup. And that's it. See, everything is nice and neat. The meat is nice and neat. You have the drum here. Breast meat, drum, neck. This you can eat this. Oh, I need to show you how to eat this. You can leave the head. You can leave the head for soup. But all these, you eat it. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.